Right, so I'm looking at 43 degrees here, a real feel of 44, winds up to 6 miles an hour. Ain't that something? It's still a good day though. Like the sun is out. It ain't working all the way, but the sun's still out, so I can't complain too much. It is winter, and obviously winter is the only time that Georgia be seeing temperatures be dropping this low. Like, first off, Georgia's just bipolar weather altogether. It'll be a rainbow and a rainbow on one end and thunderstorming and sunshine on the other half, like 3 feet away, I swear. But the weather's starting to drop significantly. Well, this week is lower than this. This the highest. What's the Saturday? This the highest it's gonna get for the rest of the week. I gotta take my days while I have them. It's still nice out. What I've learned so far, driving in lower temps, even if you don't got expensive jackets or anything like that, as long as you layer up, you're good. Like, you probably like get some layup. Oh, I stalled. That's embarrassing. My apologies, guys. I was trying to talk on the video. Yeah. But as long as you layer up, which is what I've done, I ain't buying no $700 jacket right now. Nah, ain't no weight, right? So I just layered up. Layer up on gloves, layer up on socks, layer up on drawers. Then you should be straight. What is this? What is this monstrosity up here? Like, you don't need the full-fledged $1,300 suits yet. Just lay up and you should be fine. Now, the highway, you may need to triple up on the highway though, because the winds. You know how the winds make everything feel like it'll drop 15 degrees when the winds hit you. Like, one time I didn't come prepared. Like, one time I went on the highway with nothing but a hoodie on. Man, that's it's the worst mistake I could have ever did right there. I say within 5 minutes of riding on the highway at highway speeds with a hoodie on, and that wind is hitting my chest, you know what I'm saying, where all my organs at. And so within about 5 minutes I was over here shivering, like a shivering that I haven't felt in a while. Like, my body couldn't stop. What are you what are you, is he trying to get in the turning lane? I'm about to say, bro, I'm not to say, like, what are you doing? We'll give him that pass. I thought he was honestly trying to cut in front of me. But yeah, I was shivering, like, uncontrollably, and I couldn't stop. That's the difference between, like, the normal shiver you may feel and the shiver I'm talking about. Okay, here we go. It's not that bad. Well, no. Riding like this for like 30 minutes, yeah, you're gonna feel it. Yeah, without a doubt, you're gonna feel that. Yeah, you're definitely gonna feel that. So I can do it, yeah, for about, man, less than that. With my current get up, I'm thinking about 20 minutes, 15. It's great. The number keep going down the longer I ride. I ain't gonna lie. 20 minutes of this. wasn't even the highway. It's highway speeds, but that wasn't even the highway, bro. Now I'm about to get on the highway. Yeah, I need a triple layer at the minimum. Triple layer. I need a triple layer at minimum. Nah, yeah, I'm good, bro. Nah, I'm good, bro. It's cold. I'll stick to the city driving for now, or upgrade. Either or. Don't try nothing. We gonna get off. Woo-wee. It don't look like it, but it's boy, it feels like 35 now. I swear, it feels like 35. Oh, before we go, yeah. Oh, it's a tunnel. So slow it down, slow it down. You never know, it could be around these curves, bro. We'll get back. We'll get back on and get right back on. Woo-hoo-hoo! Man, I don't want to go faster for once. That's how cold it is, bro. My hands freezing. I'm not accustomed. I'm not adapted to this, bro. I'm not adapted to this. I'm starting to freeze over. That's what I was talking about. I'm about to freeze over, bro. I gotta get off the highway. I need the right gear. Yeah, like my hands, I need some gloves, some better gloves, I tell you that. Without a doubt, I need some better gloves.